I found the course by internet. And I was in the search of my career path, and I thought that this course might be very useful for me. Well, the most significant takeaway, I would say, it was mainly the confidence of working with data, cleaning of data with the help of using Excel program, and ability to visualize it with the help of Excel or in Power BI. I got a lot of inspiration while I worked with the other students and helped them explaining what needs to be done in terms of our tasks that we had during the course.